One of my favorite parts about teaching our future medical assistants is the hands-on learning that we get to experience in the lab. Everyone just absolutely loves and adores getting, to touch all the equipment that we have. I actually am a graduate from WVJC as well, which really, helps me as in the instructor role. I'm able to relate to our students and be able to help them along their way in their journey. Externship process is extremely important, especially because a lot of schools that you go to, you're not getting that hands-on experience that a lot of these jobs are looking for. You're only getting the student education, and with our extern, you have 160 hours that you're able to complete, and that's in an actual office where you're complete hands-on. You're doing what you're going to be doing in the job field. Whenever you're ready for a job, whether you get hired straight out of extern or you go to another job opportunity, those jobs are going to be looking for that experience from that extern. And I love to see our graduation. It's so, thrilling for me to see a smile on their face and watching them throw those caps up in the air and being, like, hey, I finally made it. I'm a medical assistant or a medical office assistant. I'm here, I have a career, and this is my life now.